Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah. It is Thursday and I'm so excited to announce my very first cleaning tools. And the good news is that you can get yours completely free if you sign up today. I will put a link down below. Let me walk you through what you are going to get in your pack. Elbow grease. Just add some water and this product will remove any stain or grime with absolutely no effort on your behalf whatsoever. But what happens if you wake up, you've got a case of the blahs, it's raining outside? Well, use my Make Your Own Sunshine skoosh spray. A quick skoosh skoosh on you or a grumpy spouse or grumpy kids and you will see the sun again. And you'll want to have this in your pantry, a can of Hygge. Yes, we have taken Danish Hygge and put it into a tin. Open it up whenever you need a little bit of our famous Danish coziness. And what about my rah 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 timer? I will be cheering you on as the clock counts down, and when the timer goes off, you're going to hear me saying rah rah rah. And my personal favourite, my Bahookie Balsam. This has been developed together with specialists in Switzerland. Just rub it in and your bahookie will be moving before you know it. And I know you're going to love this product so much that if you order today, we'll give you not one tub, but two. So use that link down below and get your very first Diane in Denmark products. I hope you're ready to order your first set. The link is down below. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the cleaning Hygge be with you. I shall see you on the other side with a rah, rah, rah.